If you guys ever feel sad, just remember that the world is 4.5 billion years old, and you little piece of living things somehow managed to exist at the same time as me. Be grateful. Khamagani, namaste. This is day one of me doing random and weird shit on YouTube until I complete 500 subscribers. This is me, the greatest YouTuber of all time, Nankit. And in today's video, we are going to talk about people who just can't let it go. Come on, guys, these things are not cool anymore. It's 2025. So I have asked a couple of my fans to know their thoughts and opinions about things that are being dragged on from ages by some people. Now, let's see what are those things. I think now it's the high time for people to stop putting their fingers in other person's matter. आसान भाषा में गान में उंगली करना बंद कर दो. Now, let's be serious for a while and see what my fans has to say about things that are not cool anymore, according to them. According to me, the last outfit was not cool, so we changed the outfit. Now, uncool thing number 1. Disrespecting and insulting your parents or elders and throwing them out of the house. Like if they are a piece of garbage or something. Like for me personally, this is the most uncoolest thing of the world. And once my guru told me that, Ankit, if you don't respect your elders, you will not be successful for long. I mean, seriously, they gave you life and you are forcing them to take away their lives. This is not so cool, guys. Respect your parents, respect your elders. Now, uncool thing number 2. If you can't stop them, ignore them. If someone is doing something that you know it's not good, it may harm that person itself or it may harm others. But if you can't control them or stop them, then let them continue with whatever they are doing. Please don't take things personally. If they are out of your control, ignore them. When we can't change others, when we can't change the situation, then we have to change ourselves. Now, uncool thing number 3. Nasha. If you are drinking and smoking just to look cool in front of your friends, girlfriend, crush or kids, you think the kids will look at you and say, "Ore yaar bhaiya," then not cool at all. When you do or say things just to impress others, you lose your real and unique identity. Yes, if you are drinking because you like to drink, then it's fine. But please don't drink for just show off purposes. Uncool thing number 4. Harassing and bullying humans and animals. I'm sure your parents would be super happy and proud to have a piece of shit like you as their child. Abusing humans and animals makes you look like a poorly raised toddler who has a, I don't know, stomach or tantrum issues. And body shaming, like seriously, imagine if we all look the same, like robots. Don't you think the world would be so boring? Having different personalities makes us unique. So please, be kind to everyone. I promise your future self will thank you for not being a jerk. Being kind is way cooler than being cruel. Now, uncool thing number 5. Peer pressure. Peer pressure is like a bad haircut. It might seem cool at first, but after a while, you will regret it. Just because your friends jump off a cliff doesn't mean you have to jump too. When you do something just to fit in, you lose your true self. And trust me, there is nothing more painful than losing your true identity, character, and personality. Your friends might not even like the thing they are doing. They are just pretending to be cool and happy. You don't have to be anyone or anything. You have to be you. Uncool thing number 6. If you can't do something good with your life, please don't stop others from doing it. I have seen many people in my life, those who criticize, demotivate, and stop others from achieving something big in their lives because they know they can't do what you are trying to do. They can't achieve what you are trying to achieve. That's why they want you to fail and become what they are, failures. So, here's the message for you. Keep going, keep fighting, keep doing what you are doing. Don't lose focus. Put in the hard work. Believe in your goals, believe in your dreams, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Now, last but not the least, uncool thing number 7. Waiting and blaming. Life doesn't come with a pause button or a perfect moment alert. If you keep waiting for everything to align perfectly and keep blaming the situation and the people, then you might miss out on all the fun. Blaming others won't make you a superhero. The right person to blame is usually the one standing in the mirror. So stop blaming and wasting time and start taking responsibility. Your future self will thank me for telling you all this. So this is it for the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, Tata, bye bye. Pratashi, according to you,
शादी